faithful friends one can rely upon. In today's scenario, pets play a very important role in one's lives. So, in pursuit of improving better facilities, Oh My Dog, a new branch of Vets for Pets, has come up in the city. The new enterprise boasts of exclusive veterinary lab, which is one of its kind in Punjab. Another important feature is that the clinic is exclusively managed by lady veterinarians and technicians, empowering the ongoing trend in strength of fairer sex. The new venture, Oh My Dog, wants to start up with an ambulance so that the strays can be picked and treated. The institution hopes to give up to its own dreams and public expectations.
This is our new venture. We have already been serving pets for last 12 years, but we have started this one for taking veterinary care to next level. We are having a specific dermatological clinic. This is because most of the problems that dogs face are related to skin.
I'm very happy and blessed to be part of this team. We'll do our best to serve the furry friends with a passion and with lot of care.
Along with cameraman Sukhdev, Bureau Report CNI.
CNI चैनल को लाइक करने के लिए आप हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे जाकर उसे लाइक कर सकते हैं और साथ ही साथ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल.